Here I have LANDVO Rino4 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So basically on this device you don't have an ordinary Do Not Disturb mode, just like on any other device, but you have something like this audio profiles and settings, and here you can enable silent mode, which basically will disable all your notifications and sounds. Mostly works like a Do Not Disturb mode. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.